we often hear it, right? Like this is AI is gonna replace my team, or AI is gonna replace this role or individual. I think AI is gonna amplify the value one can bring in from their work, from their craft. The bold prediction is the only one who will get replaced who are not using the AI. AI is not gonna replace you. It is. Are you gonna be on the board where everyone is using the AI, or are you gonna be on the board where you're not using the AI? The one that who are using the AI for their daily flow, I think that is going to they're just gonna bring the more value, and then their contribution will be amplified.